I'm Greg. We're about to remove and install a brand new transmission in the Ford 550 behind me for EMS. When we do it here in-house, we really don't have to pay the labor that the dealership would charge us. We have to pay for the part at a cost, and then they have to pay the guy that's going to do it also. So the bill's normally double than if we do it in-house. We can do it in a couple days, where the dealership, it'll sit there for 2-3 weeks. The technician will get busy. They pull him off of it to go do something else. You know, we're saving time and money. I've worked on that truck since it was brand new at the dealership. Now I work on them with EMS, and it'll be no thing. It's just nuts and bolts. First thing, we have to disconnect the batteries. So we take the batteries off, lift it up, and I start from the back end to the front end. So I take the coolant out the truck, and then just unbolt it and yank it out. We did have a little bit of a hiccup where we couldn't remove the transmission from under the rack because the rack didn't go tall enough. So we improvised, and we ended up using our engine lift with a chain and some bolts. Well, we put it on 2 dollies, we could roll it around. And then vice versa. When we got it out from under the truck, we had to do the same thing with the new transmission. So once the transmission's done, now anybody can remove and install a transmission, but here on Fords, you have to program the transmission to the computer. And the only way that is possible is if you use a OEM Ford scan tool. And once you get it, there's stickers and part numbers and solenoid packs that have to be programmed to the PCM, so the computer is now communicating with the transmission as it should. I was able to have some help most of the day, most of the time with Will. He gave me a big hand. Ford said to 10 to 12 hours to remove it, to install it, and to program it. With Will's help, me and him were able to get it done in half that. We got it done just over 6 hours, and it was on the ground and out the shop.